Hello you guys and welcome back to DIY Dreams, and today we're going to be eating chocolate. Now a few months ago we did a buttercream recipe where I shared with you my vanilla buttercream recipe, and we made some beautiful flour cupcakes with my recipe, and today we're coming back here and making a chocolate buttercream recipe. Now all of these buttercream recipes are completely homemade, and so I thought it'd be fun to share with you a chocolate buttercream recipe. Now, if you like this idea, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and you guys might become part of DIY Dreams. Now, without further ado, on to the video. So the first step in making our chocolate buttercream icing is adding 1 cup of butter. So I have the butter pre-measured right here. I will say that all of these ingredients are pre-measured, so don't worry, none of this is like measured right now. Now I've kind of cut it up into like sticks of butter to make it easier when we are blending it up. The next step is scraping down the sides of your bowl. The next step, once you have scraped down the sides, is adding 5 cups of icing sugar into your butter. So I have 5 cups of icing sugar, roughly measured, in this bowl, and I'm going to add the icing sugar a cup at a time. Now it is already done, so it doesn't have to be exact while I'm adding it because I already measured that, but we will see. So now I'm just going to scrape down my mixer. Next I am going to add half a cup of milk. There we go. And now I'm probably going to mix this with my hand. In fact, I am going to mix this with my hand because I do not want this to be a major mess. Actually, I think I am going to mix it with the mixer because this is a very stiff buttercream at the moment. Next, I am going to be adding half a cup of cocoa. Next, I am going to scrape down the sides of my bowl. Next, I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. After you've added your vanilla extract into your bowl, you're just going to stir it up. And after this, you can put it in a piping bag and pipe it on cupcakes or a cake if you would like. So I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. Now one quick update before the video is done. School is right around the corner, you guys, and I don't know my schedule yet. I don't know how busy school is going to make me. So we're going to limit posting to around once every other week, but still stay tuned because we have some really good videos coming out in the future. So as I said, stay tuned. Now, till next time, bye guys!